I'm Wando. I'm representing the Groom Light Car Wash. And here in my team, I have William, I have Amo, I have Jack. We are cleaning this Polo VW. Yeah, we are now cleaning this Polo VW. I want to show you how we are going to start. This is before. Picking my followers to see how it is. We will vacuum this car. We are going to do the door jump. We show you how to do the door jump, and then how we spray the detergent on this machine, on this VW when cleaning it. I will show you all this. Then hello, my viewers. This is the vacuum machine. We are going to start this machine, and William will be cleaning this car here. And after cleaning this car, he will vacuum the seat, he will vacuum the dashboard, he will vacuum everywhere there is dust, because normally the car has so much of the dust. So you have to clean everywhere before you take this car to the cleaning bay, where we shall be using detergent and water. And before then, I also show you how to clean the door jump. I want you to see the door. These are called the door jump, this one. And we need to show you how we clean them, because we make sure when we are cleaning this door jump, no water will enter this car, so the car will not be wet. Thank you, my viewer. Hello, my viewer. Now we are inside this car. You can see how it is. I can see several debris here, several grasses and the piles which are all over this place. This is what we are going to do. We are going to vacuum this, because if we don't do it, nothing else can remove this, because they stick very hard. So we are going to remove them immediately after we start vacuuming. Welcome. You know, are called door jumps. They are not like the ordinary door jump for the house. I mean, easier for the house. These are called the door jump. And we are going to show you how we clean them and how we manage them without putting any water inside our vehicle. Hello again, my YouTube viewers. We are now doing the boot. You can see him holding the cover for the boots. Then you can see also the luggage which was in this boot. We are now finishing to do this car vacuum. We are now almost there. We are finishing this, and then we take the car to the washing bay. Now we brought this car to the washing bay. We are going to start with wetting the car. Then after wetting the car, we do the cleaning of the tires. All the tires will be cleaned, and from there we are going to spray the car using the spray gun. And I'm going to show you how we do it. I will show you how we fix the spray gun to our pressure machine. Then we spray. Thereafter, we then shall start cleaning the car. Yes, our viewer, we are now changing the gun, the pressure machine. We are going to fix the gun which will spray the detergent. Come and help me, William. Now, you can see. Make sure it is tight. Now we have done the fixing, the spray gun. We are going now to spray the detergent to our car.